Hello cloud experts. So in the first few sections we have talked about compute services, storage services, database services, security services, networking services as well as machine learning services. So in this section we are going to talk about some other popular and useful AWS services. My name is Sanjay Kumar and I am a cloud trainer and consultant. So what are the services we are going to discuss in this section? We are going to talk about KMS, which is the key management services, CloudTrail, CloudWatch, CloudFormation, SQS, which is called as simple queuing service, SNS, which is simple notification service, SWF, simple workflow, Kinesis, API gateway, Elastic Transcoder, EMR, which is also called as Elastic MapReduce, and AWS Glue. So these are the services we are going to talk about in this section. KMS is a fully managed key management services and it integrates with many other AWS services and helps us to create, store and manage encryption keys. So typically this is a key management services. It helps us to create, store and manage encryption keys which are required for encryption. CloudTrail is a service that helps in governance, compliance, operational and risk auditing. So whenever we want to have some auditing related to governance, compliance, operational and risk auditing, then we can go with CloudTrail. CloudWatch collects all the performance and operational data in form of logs and metrics. CloudFormation used to create templates to provision, deploy and update your AWS resources in a predictable way. So what CloudFormation does, you can typically create some templates which can be used for provisioning the same infrastructure again and again, and you can do it in the predictable way. So it is helping you to provision, deploy and update your AWS resources in the efficient manner. SQS is a queuing service which used to decouple the enhanced capability of a distributed system and serverless architecture. So by using this, you can actually decouple your services from the underlying infrastructure, and it can also enable you to trigger some events for the serverless architecture. However, SNS is a messaging service which supports system to system and system to person notification. So SNS is a service which can send messages within the AWS system and from AWS system to the individuals like you and me. SWF is a service which is used to build applications that coordinate work across distributed components. Kinesis is a service which is used to allow real-time processing of streaming large amount of data per second and designed for real-time applications. So real-time applications, they bring in lot of data, and that is also kind of very huge amount of data, and for those kind of services we have to use some services like called Kinesis. Kinesis also comes with multiple services which we are not discussing in this section, but it enables them to take any amount of data from several sources. Those several sources can be some IoT devices, can be some real-time applications and some web streaming platforms as well. API Gateway is a API management tool which connects the clients and backend applications and work as a reverse proxy. So typically API Gateway is API management tool which connects the client and backend applications. Elastic Transcoder, which converts, this is a media transcoding services in the cloud which is highly scalable. It is easy to use and cost effective. So you can transcode your media in any form what you need. EMR, which is called as Elastic MapReduce, is a big data platform and it uses Hadoop, which is a open source framework. AWS Glue is a fully managed ETL service which is called as extract, transform and load, that makes it easy for customers to prepare and load their data for analytics. So AWS Glue is a ETL service which is actually required to prepare and load their data for the analytics. That's all in this session. I hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to see you in the next session. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. For early notification, you can also press the bell icon. If you need any more information, please visit us at www.cloud-training.guru or email us at cloudtrainingguru 101 at gmail.com. Thank you very much.